Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to look at how to create a Firebase project. So first of all, let's go to console website, which will be given in the description. If you haven't logged in into Google, you can sign it via Google. So let's create a project and let's create name for it and click on continue. Then check the enable Google Analytics for this project if you want, and select an account which is default account for Firebase. Then create project and it should be done. Yep. And for Unity we need to click on Unity. The first step is done. This is the second step of creating an app. We can do it for Android app for now, and go and get the package name from Unity, which isn't a big deal. First of all, you need to convert it into Android, and just uncheck to get that. Just copy that and paste it in the Firebase package name, and you can name anything for your app. For now, let it be like tutorial something. Register the app, then download the service.json file and place it in assets. Anywhere in the assets, it's not a big deal. And don't forget, if it has any suffixes like or to, or if it has any duplicates, you need to rename it to Google/services. I like to keep it in organized way, and never mind. Next, we need to download Firebase Unity SDK. Then click on the next. Then next steps, you can refer the documentation for how to implement. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can set up Firebase for an app for Unity. And yeah, subscribe.